So hello guys, welcome to my day 94 project. It is called the Google Dinosaur game. So we're going to test our code. This time we used PyAutoGUI and also Pillow for the image graph. And also we imported the time module. So we'll test this one without our code. Let's see what will happen. So guys, it will not jump by itself unless we press the space. Let's try to manually press the space. I missed that. Let's try again, and this time I will press the space. Okay, manually. Okay, I'm very bad at this game. And however, this time guys, we're going to turn on our code Python script, and it's turned on, and we'll try to play this by using our Python script robot. Oops. Okay, let's try again. Run well. Okay, looks like it's working well guys. It's late, a little bit late. Oh, don't die. Don't die. Okay, survive. Okay, I'm not pressing the space guys. It's being run by our Python script. It's almost in danger zone. It will run well. So close to death. Close to bumping a cactus. Ooh, it just came up. So we need to guys, we need to calibrate the Python script and make it better, but as for this time I think this is okay. We're just for experimentation. We need to just adjust the measurement of our script so that it can detect well. Okay guys, thank you, that's it for now. This is for day 94.